Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 720 BT headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG Smart TV via Bluetooth. Now this is the LG with WebOS. So first thing is go to the settings on your LG TV. If you have one of these magic remotes, you probably have a settings button right here. If not, then we can navigate to the TV and go to the settings gear icon on the top right hand side. Just click on the home button. Let me click it again here. And now you see the gear icon, so you want to go up, and then you just want to move right, up, and just move to the gear icon right there. Okay on the remote. And then from here, we're going to go down one more, right there, okay, under sound out. And it says internal speaker. We don't want internal speaker. We want the audio to come out of the headphones, all right? So let me go ahead and select on that. Okay, TV out, internal speaker. I don't want that. Let me move over to the right. Sound out Bluetooth. That's what I want. So let me go down to device list. Click on OK on the remote. Give it 1 second here. Okay, so now you can see under where it says search and its little spinny thing, it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode near me. So now we got to put these in a pairing mode, okay? So on the right ear cup here, you have that little power button right here, okay? So these headphones are currently off. Let me turn these on. Let me press and hold for like 4 seconds. It just said power on. And now what I want is a blue blinking light, which would indicate that it's in pairing mode, okay? Let me press on that button again. Okay. So basically it's like, okay, mine just said connected. I think it's connected to one of my iPhones or another TV somewhere in my house here. So it's a solid blue light. Again, I want a blinking blue light. So let's put this in a pairing mode. Let me turn these off first again. Press and hold power button for 4 seconds. It just said power off. Now it's off. Now, this time I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna press and hold the power button and wait until I start getting a blue flashing light here, okay? So do it together. Power button here, ready, set, go. Press and hold, keep holding. It said power on, I'm still holding. It says pairing, and now I see a blue blinking light, and that's what I want. And now it's in pairing mode, so now we're gonna go back to the TV here. And remember before, when it was on search, it had that little spinny thing, but I took too long. So let me do search again. Now it's searching. These are still in pairing mode, and it pops up right there, the JBL Tune 720 BT right there. So let me just make sure you have the fuchsia color right there. Click on OK on the remote. And the headphones just said connected. And we'll also see it on here as well. It just says up there, the JBL is connected, and you can see the check mark right there. So we're good to go here. Now here's the thing. If you had issues where you couldn't pair or connect, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description.